Hello and welcome to the Tech channel. Today I am going to work with very much known Seiko 5 mechanical automatic watch. Looking at the watch, it has a nice white dial with horizontal stripes, gold tone hands and time markers, and a window at 3 o'clock position to display day of the week and date of the month. The bracelet looks like Seiko original, and it also has many signs of use. The case back has indication of the caliber as well as the case code. The serial number is 963996. Per Seiko database, the time this watch was made is between 1988 and 1999. Let's start from disconnecting the bracelet from the case. Removing the spring bars and separating the end links from the bracelet. Here is seen how condition of this bracelet looks like. And here is the watch in the case. The good sign that it started to work after it has been shaken during my work on the bracelet. And again, multiple scratches on the glass and they are very visible here. Let's open the case, see what is inside, and also to get the watch movement measurements, and I will use the time graph for that. The numbers are not good. The beat error is out of the normal range. The amplitude is very low and the speed rate is jumping up and down. Starting disassembling by removing the oscillating weight. There is some dirt on the pull lever, which some people call the magic lever. Next I am removing the second reduction wheel, which is held by screw with the reversed thread. The reason I need to remove this wheel first is to disengage the automatic block so I can unwind the mainspring to remove any tension within the wheel train. And now unwinding the mainspring. Removing the plastic ring, holding the movement inside the case, and removing the stem to be able to remove the movement from the case. The movement is now out of case. The dial and hands look in pretty clean condition. And now it's time to remove the hands. The dial can be released by turning two eccentric dial pins. And as I mentioned before, the dial is in a good condition. This is a holding ring for the dial. Now releasing the snap. Disassembling the day finger. Removing the date dial guard. And the date dial, called also date indicator. The date jumper, the hour wheel, the minute wheel, the intermediate date wheel, and this is the only plastic wheel in the whole movement made from metal. This is the date driving wheel. The date finger just stuck to it. Starting to disassemble the keyless works. The setting lever spring. Then the setting lever. Removing the stem and the clutch wheel. And the yoke, also called the clutch lever. Time to remove the day corrector. Taking out the day corrector spring. And now removing the cannon pinion. And that's all for dial side. Turning on to the train wheel side and starting the second part of disassembling. Removing the balance wheel assembly held by one balance corkscrew. Proceeding to removing the pallet cock and the pallet fork. Now removing the ratchet wheel. And it's time to take out the barrel and train wheel bridge, which is secured by 3 identical bridge screws. Lifting and inspecting the bridge. Looks good, no dirt, no damage. Next is to remove all train wheels. Fourth wheel, third wheel, escape wheel, and now the click. The complete barrel with arbor and the mainspring. Removing the center wheel bridge held by one screw. and taking out the center wheel. The last operation is to disassemble the automatic block, releasing the first reduction wheel by removing the E-clamp. And then pull lever. This finalizes the disassembling process, and here are all parts ready for the cleaning. And thanks for watching. Please give it likes, leave comments and subscribe to the channel. Part 2 of this video is coming soon, and I will see you then. Bye bye for now.